Order coordination.
Pardon?
I don't need.
I welcome you everyone. I welcome you to Wama Children of Uganda. This is the head office Wama Children of Uganda. It's an organization that was started way back in 2008. That's when the vision came in. That time I left Waiwam, Youth of the Mission. And I started in Jinja, then I left, I came to Bujiri, where the best is being built. Everything is in two places. We have the kids, we have the orphanage, we have the orphanage school, we are operating in the community, and God has been blessing us each day. Even though we've been facing a lot of challenges, many things have been happening, but I want to thank God that through all, the way we were last year is not the way we are this year, because there's an advancement. God is taking us somewhere. When we lost some people that went off, God brought new people. It means when the old doors went, God opened up new doors. Wama Children of Uganda is a pro-life ministry whose mandate is to secure the Ugandan children through orphanage education, widows empowerment program, income activities, church-based works, because this is a Christian-based organization whereby we bring God first. God is always into our system. God is always into whatever we're trying to do. So it has been my grace that God has really stood with us to do all that we're doing. We're having kids at the orphanage. We have 30 of them. We're having those that are 3 years old, and the eldest is 17 right now. These are all orphans, and some are helpless that really need day-to-day daily care. And besides that, we have other almost like 200 within 7 villages that we're helping. And last week we're giving out books to almost 200 kids. Here in the orphanage, we have so many kids that are really getting care. For example, there are these ones here. Hey, he's called Musota, he lives here. He's called Ntwalebi, he lives here. These are all orphans. And we have Amisi Sharifa, Salima, and she all in here. There's so many kids that we're trying to help day by day. It means every day as the day goes by, we're trying to help. Every day as the day goes by, we're trying to help. And this is a young one. He's really too shy. But God has been doing a tremendous work within us, and at this very moment that we're kind of helping as many as possible. When we come outside, this is the entire compound. This is the best. And he's junior, also a young one, but he's sick. He's having some asthma. He's being tormented with asthma. These are some kids that we're trying to help, of which of them they have that healthy problems that need to be tackled off. There are those that are having malaria problems. Some are having their own personal problems, of which we once we put them into our registration, we file them down, and then we try to help a little bit of how God is trying to help. When funds come in, we try to help. We try to give in. We try to bring in everything on table. Now, these are some of the kids. We've been today is a Saturday, and we've been doing a little work around cleaning. The beds where they sleep. The compound. The eating, the cooking. We had some teachings in the morning because every Saturday in the weekend we have some lectures about health and life. We teach them about God, who is God, and how God can really be related into their life. We teach them how to build personal relationship. Personal relationship with God, which really builds them up every day and every minute. He's Adam, he's in primary 7. He's Faluk, he's Shafiq, and he's Ibra, he's Hamid, and he's Amesi, and then he's Waiswa. We're trying to associate with them. So far we're having 30, but some are in different schools, of which some are in the boarding schools, and some these are of the day that are around that really we take care every day and every day. And now the other one over there is called Abubakar, or he's called he's they nicknamed him Ozil. So he's really good, and we're trying also to operate with him. Every day and everyday life, they try to learn something special, something good in their own lives. This is their dormitories. They live inside, because some are just cleaning and mopping inside, you cannot go in. But again, when you go onto our when you go into our previous videos, you will see that everything is into balance, and God is trying to do everything at its own pace. And we want to thank everyone who has been really supporting us. Whoever has been donating $1, $2, $3, $150 or $20 towards their school fees, their health, their supporting, their everything, as their daily life is pertaining. We want to thank you and we want to appreciate you, because it has been by your support, it has been by your help that we're trying to do everything over here. It has been really hard to take care of all these kids. Number one, the feeding, the clothing, the healthy treatment, the schooling, everyday life. As the way you could have a kid who needs everything from you. So the same kids also need the same things in pattern. But above all, we want to thank all our friends in America, in Canada, in Australia, in Europe, in Asia, in Africa, whoever has, volunteered with us, whoever has supported, little or little, big or whatever, or small, it has really brought us to this part. And we want to thank you, we want to bless you, and we want to say thank you so much. So please, may you just say hi to our friends and say thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
We want to thank you and want to bless you, everyone, for your tremendous work. This is Wamba Children of Uganda. This is the best. It's the center. We're having street kids, we're having orphans, we're having helpless, we're having total orphans, those from the communities, and we're having so many. So it's by grace that we do things every day. We appreciate everything that you and a prayer pray to us, and a thought you thought about us, about the kids, about the organization at large, about the supporting of the programs. We're having many programs running in. We want to thank you and want to bless you. Thank you so much, and may God bless everyone. Welcome everyone to Wamba Children of Uganda, here in Uganda, Eastern Uganda, majorly in the Bujiri town. We thank you and we bless you. May God bless you.